got Ron getting ready to hit the waterfall.
Get your front tires up there first. Okay. Before you hit it.
I want to go talk to them.
Get up on that rock.
You're doing good. You're gonna get it, buddy.
And just heat them tires up.
Hey John.
Yeah.
What was easiest for me is back down all the way off this, and then come in this a little closer to your left here.
Okay.
And then you see how this has all been eaten out over here.
Yep.
You're going to want to come at it just at a very slight right angle, like that lip right there. You want your driver tire right in that. You gotta, about a foot before it, hit the throttle so your front end bounces. Then when it comes down, hit it again and your front end will come up and bounce over it. Out here in the streets. Out here in the streets. Having a great time. Dude, you got it, my man. Yep. That was good right there. Yep.
Inexperience.
That's all right.
That's how you learn, man.
Back down off of it. Come back over closer.
If I don't get it this time, I'm done.
Yeah, I get it.
What the fuck was that? Alright, I'm done.
Jesse's up.
Jesse's up.
Will here again. Ron's coming up. He's gonna give it a shot. Jesse just one shot it. Good driving. Good job, Ron. Good job. I like them. They last a lot longer. Junior. Woo! Watch the tree! You okay? You okay? You good? That's it. That's it. You're on a log. Well, you're in a bigger tree. If the first tree didn't stop you, find a bigger tree. Jesse, you all right? He's trying to close the trail down for maintenance here. Enter at your own risk. There you go. Got a KRX.
Oh, the vine. Yeah, like I made it out in time.
It was coming down. I was like, tree. Turn and look. Good job, buddy. Thank you, my man.
Did it look all right on film?
Yeah. Watch the little thing. Yeah, I guess it did.
Did I hit it the fastest?
I don't think so. I think Ron has a little bit faster. But it's okay. You made it.
All right, I made it.
Of willpower. Willpower.
I love it too. That might be my buggy name.
There you go.
I like that too. Willpower. I want you to have the role model, Jesse. You deserve that. Yep, done deal. Okay. Three-wheel drive for him there.
That's all he's got?
Well, he doesn't have a lock in front. You see how, like, as soon as he got up on there, it stopped.
Oh, that's what they were talking about with following me.
Yeah.
It switches.
Yeah, it's not locking. So it's one or the other.
There you go. Woo! Woo! Yeah!
I never said that.
I was not.
Not the line.
It's amazing what it looks like now from when it started.
I know, it started normal. Like Jesse said, it's gonna be bad in like up to 2 months. Give it like it's the
rain
next,
starts going
yeah,
down.
in the next ride after people like a lot of full size are.
Flip out of gear, maybe. Belt, he said belt. We'll pull the cage. You got a new one? I got one down there if you need it. He's just closed though. Is it still in gear?
Belt slip that easy.
Sounds like screw belt.
Or tore apart. He looked like he hit it pretty hard there. He looked like he hit it pretty hard. Pretty heavy hitter there. A lot of smoke back there. It wasn't tire smoke.
All right, belt is changed. Frank's gonna give her another go. Good call.